In the digital era we live in today, earning money from the comfort of your own home is not just a dream, but an attainable reality. Among the myriad of opportunities available, affiliate marketing stands out as one of the most effective ways to generate a steady stream of income. But what is affiliate marketing, and how can one master this art form to create a sustainable revenue channel? To put it simply, affiliate marketing is a performance-based business model. It involves promoting products or services on behalf of another company. Each time someone makes a purchase through your affiliate link, you, as the affiliate marketer, earn a commission. Sounds straightforward, right? Yet, beneath this simplicity lies a complex art that demands strategy, persistence, and a keen understanding of digital trends. Let's break it down with the first step: selecting a niche. Choosing the right niche is crucial. It's about identifying a market that not only interests you, but also has enough demand to be profitable. Think of niches like health and wellness, technology, fashion, and finance. These areas are not just popular but are constantly evolving, providing endless opportunities for creating content and engaging with an audience. Once you've zeroed in on a niche, the next step is to select the right affiliate programs. There are various types of affiliate programs ranging from large networks like Amazon Associates to smaller independent programs offered directly by companies. The key is to choose programs that offer quality products and competitive commissions. Remember, your credibility depends on the integrity of the products you promote. Building an audience is the third pillar of affiliate marketing. Today, multiple platforms like blogs, YouTube, channels, and social media allow you to reach potential customers. Creating valuable and engaging content tailored to your audience's needs is essential. Consider providing honest product reviews, comprehensive guides, and insightful tips. This not only attracts readers but builds trust, cementing your reputation as a go-to source for information in your chosen niche. Now, while creating content, it's important to weave in your affiliate links seamlessly. They should feel like a natural part of the conversation rather than overt advertisements. The success of affiliate marketing hinges on authenticity. The more genuine and relatable you are, the more likely your audience will trust your recommendations and make purchases through your links. However, affiliate marketing isn't just about posting content and filling it with links. Data analysis and optimization form the backbone of a successful strategy. Regularly reviewing analytics helps understand what content performs best, which links generate the most clicks, and what areas need improvement. Employing strategies like A/B testing can refine your approach, ensuring you maximize your revenue potential. Critical to this process is staying updated with the latest trends and technology. The digital landscape is ever-changing, and being adaptable is vital. Whether it's the latest SEO changes, new social media platforms, or innovative marketing tools, staying informed can provide a competitive edge, allowing you to leverage the most effective methods in your campaigns. As we draw to a close, it's important to acknowledge that affiliate marketing is not an overnight success story. It requires hard work, dedication, and an entrepreneurial mindset. However, when done right, it becomes a powerful tool, offering the flexibility to work from anywhere while earning a significant income. In conclusion, the art of affiliate marketing is a blend of creativity, analysis, and adaptability. It opens the door to financial independence and the freedom to design a lifestyle on your terms, a testament to the boundless opportunities the digital age offers. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or just getting started, remember that success lies not only in understanding the mechanisms of affiliate marketing, but in continuously nurturing your strategy and relationship with your audience. So, are you ready to embark on this exciting journey and build your stream of revenue from home? Follow and subscribe for more side hustle ideas. If you are in need to generate income today, go to www.kill9to5.com.